Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to add multiple TikTok accounts on TikTok app or how to switch your TikTok accounts. Follow these easy steps to easily use multiple TikTok accounts on your TikTok app. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Go ahead and launch the TikTok app on your mobile and go to Profile. So as you can see, I've already added my first account here. Now tap on this hamburger menu and tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you are in Settings and Privacy page, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here under Login section you will find the Switch Account option. Just tap on that. And now to add your second or another TikTok account, just tap on Add Account. And now all you have to need here, already have an account, tap on Login and select our options to log into your TikTok account. So I'm going to selecting my TikTok account to sign in. Once done, as you can see, I've successfully switched my TikTok account. Now go to your profile again, tap on Menu, Settings and Privacy, scroll down all the way to the bottom, tap on Switch Account, and here you will find all of your added TikTok account. Now to switch your account, just select the account, which account you want to use now, and your account will be switched. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.